Hello dear friends of the VisionCrypto channel. My name is Arian and my channel is all about cryptocurrency and chart analysis explained as simply as possible. Today I want to talk to you about XRP because XRP has actually managed to break out and show some bullish momentum. First of all, I have to say that I am not at home, I only have my laptop available here. And if the video does not have the usual quality that you know from me, please forgive that. Why XRP? On one hand, because of the breakout, and on the other hand, the largest German analysis firm has also announced that they have liquidated their holdings. And that was the reason for me to make a video about XRP today. The good thing is, we have been in a wedge for over 2.5 years, where the price has been repeatedly rejected or has found support in the lower range. And as I have already mentioned in the last videos, when the triangle converges, the pressure on the price increases and it will explode more or less explosively in one direction or the other. 2001, and the price has now done that, and in the desired direction, namely upwards, which is also good. I have already marked these two boxes here for some time, which each represent a significant resistance in the chart. And XRP has managed to literally shoot through the first resistance and run up to the next resistance, because in the past, the price was repeatedly rejected here. And as I said, we have now managed to move above this. And the next price box is now between 1.45 and 1.27. And 1.27, and the price has also reacted to that. I will make this a bit larger now. And is currently moving down a bit or is consolidating for now. This analysis firm has said, okay, this is the reason to liquidate and sell the holdings now. I will of course do that at some point, but not just yet. I can also tell you why I am not doing it. The wave structure looks to me as follows. We had the start of wave 1 downwards with this fake out in early July, corrected down into wave 2, and now we have a strong rise into wave 3. And we have now moved down again into wave 4. And the price target lies between 75 and 99 cents before it goes up again into wave 5. And I can well imagine that we will reach the price of $2, where the price will then be rejected because the $2 mark is crucial for XRP and is the strongest resistance, as that was the last high that XRP generally achieved. Therefore, I assume that we will approach this price target and then sell off initially, and it would also align quite well with the chart analysis, viewed from the perspective of Elliott wave. Now the question is, when a sell-off occurs, how far will it go down? If we assume that we rise up to the $2 mark and then find rejection, there would be a price target for a wave. Two overarching, approximately between $54 and $87 are. It would be dangerous if we only expand these three waves, and this wave 4 does not become a wave 4, but we sell off directly, because then we would get a 5-part sell-off, which would mean that we would definitely fall below 38 cents again. The 1,000 must decide for themselves whether they want to sell the course, whether they say, okay, they are taking a risk, or they assume that we will get another wave 5, as it looks to me, or whether the danger is indeed great that we would sell off directly. Basically, I have to say about XRP, since there are already videos saying that XRP could reach up to $100, in my opinion, that will not happen in various ways. Because one must consider that there are extremely many XRP tokens in circulation, and all of them would have to be bought up first. This means that a scarcity in the market is needed first for the price to rise in the long term. But there are so many, and I know some who have said, okay, if XRP is in the plus, then I will sell the position because it has disappointed for years. And also, this hype that XRP had during the last bull run has faded. Because almost everyone has realized by now that the price will not go up that much. And even when looking at the chart, long term, I will switch to the weekly chart. Then you can see it even better. XRP has not managed to establish a higher high so far. 2001. If you don't want to be transparent with the tax office, it means that they shouldn't have all your data in the crypto space, and you also don't feel like identifying yourself for hours and submitting documents. And if you want to trade your favorite coins without the EU saying, but not this coin because we don't like it, then you need an exchange where that is not the case. I personally speaking trade on Coinex and use the freedoms that I want to have there. What you need for registration 2001 is an email address and a password of your choice, and then you are registered and can trade freely. Instead of fewer, there are more coins, the fees are moderate, and those who register now can still receive up to $100 welcome bonus. Do it like I do. Go to Coinex and register means that we currently have a permanently descending wedge. That allows for lower highs. We have broken it for now, which is generally good, so I will completely remove it from the chart now. But now, we first need to take out this high, which we haven't managed to do so far. And then, this one needs to be taken out. And then we would first need to rise up to the all-time high, which is at 339. And only when that is broken, do we have the chance to discuss in detail about new prices. And then go from the current $2 up to $100 in the market. That would be quite a moment. Where are we? That would be quite an extreme figure that the price would have to reach. So, as I said, I personally do not assume that, and what the current long-term perspective for XRP could be, I don't want to determine that yet, because first of all, I want to see this 5-part upward movement. If we don't actually see it, it would mean that the price collapses completely again. And if we see it, then I want to see a clean 3-part movement down into wave 2, in order to say, okay, we will look at the next steps for how XRP can develop step by step. Everything else is just extreme looking into a crystal ball, and I find it unserious to talk about such high prices in 2021. Feel free to write in the comments how you currently see XRP. That means, are you invested in XRP or still invested? Do you plan to sell? Or the completely opposite thing? Are you now somewhat driven by hype and want to get into XRP? Please write that in the comments below. I would like to apologize again for the not so good quality of the video. My laptop, which I have here, is actually just a 14-inch laptop. I didn't think it would be so difficult at times to see everything on it and to properly pull the fibs for you. And of course, the sound quality at home on my computer is much better. I hope there were some exciting pieces of information for you in today's video. If that's the case, feel free to leave a thumbs up on the video. Write me a short comment or maybe just a little smiley. That would push the algo and be good for the channel. And I would like to point out that another exciting chart analysis is waiting for you in the credits. I wish you a nice time until the next video, and goodbye.